What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you a very effective and a very reliable method for bringing free traffic to your Clickbank offers. All right, so this is absolutely free, but you have to pay close attention to the video because, as the case is with all free methods, the devil is in the details, right? So you have to kind of pay attention to all the details that I'm going to explain because, as you know, free traffic is very, very hard to come by, and so you really want to kind of cover all your bases here, all right? So here I have a diagram here. I have a user, and he basically, either he goes, using Google's SEO, he searches for something online, or he gets there directly, or he does social media or anything like that. But at the end of the day, he's going to get to our niche website, okay? And so we're going to be looking at these websites. Obviously, there's a lot of kind of free ways of sending traffic to Clickbank. In my opinion, this is one of the most reliable methods, and I'm going to show you why in this video. So we have this niche website, and this niche website has an article, right? This could be a review article, how-to article, and I'm going to show you really, very good examples of this from my own sites, as well as some of the other sites that are live right now. And so after that, they click on the Clickbank offer. This is a Clickbank link. And this could be, somebody could be promoting a make money online niche, health, weight loss, some other niche offer. They go to purchase, they sell, and we get a sale. And as an affiliate, that's us, we get a sale. And so there's a lot of moving pieces here, and I'm really going to unpack for you like how everything works, okay? And so here is an example of a niche site that I am building. Okay, so you probably have seen this if you are a long-term subscriber. This is a site, we're adding new content. And this is a site, it's a niche site because it's just about a specific topic. As it happens to be, I'm very passionate about videography, photography, and so I have the site here, and it's very focused on a specific topic. And I'm basically promoting Amazon offers, but I can easily promote Clickbank offers, right? So if there's a good like photography tutorial in Clickbank, how to make money with photography, maybe a YouTube tutorial, YouTube offer somewhere, I will be easily able to promote it, okay? Here's another one of my websites. This is called Ecom Renegades, and this is all about dropshipping, e-commerce, right? How to create a dropshipping website with WordPress and AliExpress, how to create a Shopify dropshipping store using Oberlo. And so it's very focused, right? And, I can easily promote the Clickbank offer here as well. I can easily promote, Shopify has their own affiliate program too, so I can do that. So there's a lot of interesting things that we can do. And actually, I have a lot of other sites that are doing this right now. So, obviously I cannot show you all my sites, but what I can do is I can go to this SERP robot, which is a tracker for positions, keyword positions in Google. And I have a bunch of projects here. And here's here's some positions. Obviously, this is real time, and I have a change. I gained 7 positions, 82. This one is number 3. This one is number 7. This was 2 at some point. Now it's like 82. So I got to work on it a little bit. So we can go back. I can show you some of the other things that I have. So I have a lot of projects, running a lot of sites. Here's a lot of keywords here. I have 7, 9, a bunch of positions. Here we go. And so, this is just to show you that this is a very, very reliable method, because once you build the site and Google ranks it, you get that free traffic, right? Unless, something bad happens, but it's very, very stable, okay? I have sites that are like 5 years old, 10 years old. They're still getting like plenty of traffic. All right, so here's another article that I want to show you. This is an article on a website, Healthcare Business Today, and this is actually Leptitox review. And I actually did a case study of this product. I'm going to link it above. You're going to see it in the cards above somewhere. And this is actually a Clickbank offer, right? So if you're going to go into Clickbank, you're going to be able to find this offer there. And this is actually a simple article. They're basically talking about, random things. And if you search for something like Leptitox review, you're going to find this article. It's going to be on the front page. It might not be the first one. It might not be the second one, but it's going to be somewhere. And it's all free traffic. So when you click on this link, you're going to get redirected to Clickbank, and it's an affiliate link, right? And so they're going to get a commission if the visitor buys the product, right? So we can go to Clickbank. And so we're here in our Clickbank marketplace. And all you have to do is type leptitox and you're gonna see it right here. And this product actually has a very high gravity, so it's a very popular. We're getting $69 per the initial sale, things like that. So it's a nice offer, and they're basically getting free traffic here. So if you can do the same, you're gonna be able to get free traffic as well. So I'm gonna teach you how to do that, because this for me is like a cornerstone, right? This for me is like a very, very basic strategy that I really, really love. All right, so the first thing you have to figure out is what kind of site you want to build. As you noticed, all of my sites, at least, lots of sites are in different niches, right? This is photography, videography, this is e-commerce. I have a site about Bitcoin, I have a site about dating, I have other different niche sites. And so you have to kind of think what you want to promote, right? And the way you decide is you go into Clickbank and you look at different offers. And I'm going to give you some ideas right now that you can promote, all right? So, for instance, self-help I really like. Languages is good. Home and garden is good. Health and fitness obviously is really good. E-business, e-marketing is good. So, you can start with this one. I really like self-help, honestly, because it's about confidence, dating, self-improvement. There's always going to be market for it, and there's always going to be room for new people to come in. I really, really like it. Another one that I really like is home and garden. You can go in here. They have these kind of niche offers, right? Woodworking, brain training for dogs, my shed plans, dog trainer. This is really, the more narrower the site, the more narrow the topic, the easier it is to kind of build it out and get Google to rank it. Because the idea goes is that the more narrow is the site you have, the more you can be specific about it. So in other words, if I have a site that's like 100 articles and it's about dog training, right? Google is going to think that site is more authoritative than a site with like, let's say 100 articles about all kinds of animals, right? Or a site about 10 articles about dog training. So narrower is very good, right? You don't need a site with 100 articles or 200 articles. You can just have 10, 15 articles, and it's really good enough to start out. And so you have to kind of find the niche. So another product that I was promoting, and I'm still promoting from time to time, this is text chemistry, and I have a landing page, and I'm buying traffic, obviously, but I can take it a step further and actually create a site to get free traffic. So let me show you how I can basically create the site around this particular offer. And if you go into Clickbank, you type text, you're going to see this offer right here, text chemistry. There we go. It's 96 gravity, which is really good. We get $46 per sale for the commission, right? And so this is a really, really nice way to kind of make some money with free traffic. And so let's say I wanted to build a site for this specific product, right? What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be writing articles about surrounding the topics that people have problems with, right? So somebody has a problem, they're searching on Google, and they find this particular page, review article, etc., and it happens to be about their problem, and it happens to be promoting this particular Clickbank offer, right? So the first thing you want to do is, let's say we found an offer. Let's say we want to do text chemistry. You can pretty much do any other offer. And we're going to go into Google. And what we're going to do is we're going to be basically typing different keyword phrases to figure out what kind of content to write. Now, before I go further, I just want to make it clear is that you do need a website. I do not recommend one of these free hosting providers or anything like that. What I really recommend is just go to namecheap.com, pay $7 or $8 per year, get yourself a domain name. For this text chemistry, you can call it something like relationship mastery or relationship coach or something like that, because it's about relationship, right? This product is about, sending what kind of text messages to send a guy to, right? So he responds. And so you want to go buy the domain and you want to create about 10 pieces of content. You don't want to create anything less than that, because Google is just not going to take you seriously. If there's a site with 3 pieces of content or 5 pieces of content, Google is not going to take it seriously. But anytime you have, at least 20 pieces of content, 15 pieces, at least 10 to 15 pieces of content, Google is going to look at the site and say, hey, he has, or she has, or they have 15 pieces of content about this specific topic. They must be somewhat of an expert in it. And so Google is going to rank it for those competitive keywords. And so the next thing you want to do is you want to figure out what this product is about, the phone game, right? Tinder success secrets, why men leave, right? So you can basically type into Google, why men leave. And you can do something like that. Why men leave, women they love, right? So here's a really search phrase. And so what you want to do is, this is an article that you can write content around. This could be the first article you write. Why men leave, women they love. And you can, scroll down here. You have 10 heartbreaking reasons why men leave, women they love. And the next thing you want to do is you want to create a, you want to basically be writing down these topic ideas, okay? And so let's say I have a notepad here. And basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be basically writing ideas. So for instance, I have one article idea here, right? Then the next thing you want to do is you want to go back and you want to see the phone game. What to text a guy, right? What to text to a guy you like, right? So here's another article idea, right? And you can scroll down and you can get ideas. Now you do not want to copy and like completely word for word, because Google is going to notice that they're not going to rank your stuff. But here's another one, how to text a guy you like. This is another idea, not just what to text, how to text a guy you like. Next things, all of these could be article ideas, because if somebody's searching for these, women are searching for this, they're having certain problems, right? They're having some relationship problems. Maybe they just met a guy. Maybe they've been going out for a while. And so you'll be able to promote this text chemistry product by creating content around this. So let's have a couple of more ideas just to let you know. So here's another one. 134 text messages that will make him want you, right? You guys see a similar theme, right? When you're creating this kind of content, you need to get inside the person who has the problem, right? You need to get inside. You need to empathize with them, right? Not sympathize, not be compassionate. You need to empathize. You need to understand what they're dealing with, and then you can basically help them. So let's have another one. How to start a conversation, right? This is all very similar, and they will all work, right? Now, if you scroll down, you have all of these ideas. This could all be basic content ideas. So I'm going to copy this. Obviously, I'm going to have some duplicates here and there, but now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pieces of content. Like I said, between 10 to 15, and you have a size. So all you have to go out is, I would not write content if it's very similar. So what to text and how to text a guy, they are relatively different. So you can write content about that. But if it's like, what to text a guy to make him want you, how to start. Okay, these are still different, right? As long as they're relatively different, you can create a site around. And then you basically need to go out, and I recommend something like Bluehost. You can basically register a domain to them. It costs like $5 a month or something like that, or even like $3 a month, right? Excluding the domain. The domain is separate. The domain is like $7 a year. And then you can have a WordPress blog immediately. You're going to have hosting and a WordPress blog all set up. And so all you have to do is put on the content. And then after a while, Google is going to start ranking it, okay? So you're going to be basically using this tool that I'm using. It's like $5 a month, this tool I'm using. And every day I can check the positions that I have. And, once the start is going to, the stuff is going to rank, you can basically go out and you can do what they did, right? Leptitext review, right? You can also do text chemistry review, right? You can talk about the product. You can talk about the problem, or you could talk about the product. It's two kind of different ways to approach it. And then you can have, another piece of content you can have. I'm really giving away everything that I'm doing, right? You can have text chemistry review. This is kind of, so if you do that, we're going to be doing the same thing basically, but I don't really care because I want to help you guys out. The more the merrier, really, right? You can have an article called text chemistry review. Text chemistry is a scam, right? Now this is called negative marketing. It works really well. You don't have to, you don't have to say it's a scam. You can just say it's not a scam. It's a real thing. It helped people out. It helped me out, etc., etc. And you can still promote the Clickbank offer. Now we have like 15 pieces of content. This is enough to start a site. If you do 20, it's even better. But that's kind of how you do the research. Obviously, you can go to Clickbank and you can do it for any product you want, right? You can pretty much, you can go turn her on, right? This has a low gravity. I would not be promoting that. But let's say we go into something like languages, right? Which is awesome to promote. When we have languages, we're going to sort this by gravity. And we have Rocket Spanish, right? So how do I learn Spanish? How do I learn Spanish fast? Go into Google and you're gonna get like really quick ideas. How to learn Spanish fast, for free. Well, you don't want to do for free. Quickly, at home, in a month, in one day. All of these are different ideas for content. And if I enter it and I go click again, I get more ideas, even more specific ideas. How to learn Spanish fast, easy, and free. Best way to learn Spanish on your own, right? These are all ideas. Here's a video. I have more ideas, tips for learning Spanish. These are all ideas for content. This is how you can create a site. Then once you create a site, you can say, you can basically advertise the Clickbank product on the bottom, or you can have it on the sidebar or anything like that. But that's kind of what I wanted to talk about. You know, the mechanics of advertising it. Very simple. You can have a link inside the article. But that's all I wanted to cover in this video. So I really, really hope you've gotten value from this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.